Hey guys, today I have this bonsai clipping set. It comes with the zippered nylon bag. You get two spades. One's a little bit wider and one's taller and skinnier. You get the little three-pronged rake. You get two of these sets of snips. And they each come in this little plastic case. You get, I'm going to call it a paintbrush, but you like wipe the dust off of the leaves. You get this really nice set of tweezers that comes with this little plastic thing to keep them together. And you get this set of scissors, which also comes. The scissors are kind of cool because they fold up into themselves. I have a real hard time doing that with my hands, but it does fold up into itself. Now these, I'm thinking they need oiled because they're a bit stiff, but they seem to be pretty sharp. But yeah, other than this being really stiff, this seems like a really great set if you have bonsai trees or other little plants that need clipping and taking care of. This set would work. Check it out on Amazon. I'll leave you a link below.